Good morning, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Monday, November the 15th, 2021. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend and a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we left off with the market on Friday. So again, SPX was up. Monthly chart still green. Weekly chart with an inside week last week, so we'll see if we take that inside week out and push it up to all-time highs, or take the inside week down and maybe see that bigger waveform move that we were talking about. Is the daily chart, we're basically in a trend box right now, right? We pushed below the ADMA under this bump line. We took the compressed inside day up on Friday, so we'll see if that gets any more follow through here going into today, and where we go from there. Here's the couple potential wave counts on this one, but ultimately it looks like we have this ABC up right here for the larger wave B. And if the gap doesn't hold here today and we start to see some selling pressure, look for the larger wave 4C of 4 down. Otherwise, this count might actually be wrong, and this could be it, right? This could be wave 4 right here. This is basically your A, this is your wave B, little triangle right here. Wave C, and this could be kind of like a 1-2-1-2 type move, and this market could be ready to push again to all-time highs and beyond, right? So we'll see how that goes. SPY so far this morning, again, just kind of pretty steep here on this geometric line, so we'll see how it holds here going into today. S&P futures similarly has some work here to do. It basically needs to get above the get above this level right here. This is the scene of the breakdown right here from last week, from the 9th. So we need to see how that holds and where we go from there. If not, if we break down below the geometric lines, Friday's point of control could be tested. All right, let's take a look at the MES and see how it's doing here this morning. So again, similarly, just kind of keep an eye on your geometric lines. There's an intermediate geo here from the overnight session. So just kind of see how that holds here going into today. If it stays above it, generally look at it as constructive. The Qs, again, the same thing, right? So big move on Friday, and it's really just kind of super duper steep up here. So again, you kind of put some geos on that and see how those hold going into the open. The IWM, interesting, right? So we got a geometric line here. It was really choppy on Friday. Seems to be perking its way up here this morning. XLF, also super duper choppy, but a little bit of a couple ticks higher here this morning. The VIX was up a little bit this morning. It was getting a little bit nervous. Now it's just kind of looking a little bit droopy here. So we'll see how that goes. Again, if that wave 4 move starts in the market, then the VIX could really start to perk up. Apple up a little bit here this morning, and Tesla. So Tesla down, and that's down on basically more Elon Musk tweeting from over the weekend. So Bitcoin, guys, hanging in there at about 1,600. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get more in-depth video coverage on the stocks or setups that are on our radar, be sure to join our group or subscribe to the Bubble Report for more morning analysis. The Bubble Report includes S&P 500 review, also a market profile game plan on the S&P futures, sector updates, gappers, orbs, unusual option activity, economic calendar, and we also have Elliott wave counts that are on our radar made by Algo 382. Be sure to click the link at the end of this video to subscribe today.